So there are three ways that we can install mogrts on Premiere Pro. I'm in Premiere Pro CC 2021 version 15. The first method, we can click this menu here and then manage additional folders and then add, and then choose the folder where your mogrts are saved and then select folder, then just click OK. Now uh, to show that folder, you can just click this drop down menu and then choose the folder that you recently added. So the second method is you can just go to the graphics and then install motion graphics template, and then choose a mogurt that you want to install. In this method, you can only choose one mogurt. You cannot select all of them. And the third method is you can just open your file explorer and then just select all of this and then drag it on your essential graphics panel. I'm not gonna do that because I already installed my mogurts. So that's all.